Ever wonder what's really in store-bought dog food? Why not make a fresh, healthy meal at home with just 5 simple ingredients? Let's whip up a delicious homemade chicken dog food your pup will love. This 5 ingredient homemade chicken dog food is packed with nutrition and super easy to make. Let's get cooking. I prefer to place all ingredients into a crock pot and add 2 cups water and cook on high for 3 hours. But of course, you can use the stove method instead. Let cool and serve to your tail wagging pup to enjoy healthy eating packed with love. Always remember to start slow if giving any seasoning or ingredient for the first time. Any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Bye now.